lovelies, welcome to Chilling with Ali.
Yes, guys, previously on Chilling with Ali, we have seen where the decking was done. Yes, guys, I'm showing you where decking was done, and the decking has now been removed. Right, and we have the termite unit, right, is there. You'll see in the video where they have been treating the place for termites. Yes, guys, to include like chichi, which tends to affect any board structure. Yes, guys, like your furniture and your flooring, your door jambs and those things. So there are the units
Thanks,
treating the area inside the foundation around the entire perimeter property, and you can see where the mason is also there doing is rendering in this video. Stay tuned, my friends. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, share, like, subscribe, and you're watching Chilling with Ali. Stay tuned, my lovely friends. Thank you. Yes, guys, it's one of my mason, Kevin. Is there rendering the wall. So first he had cleared the area, right, flash the area, and now he's rendering the area. Yes, guys, you can also see in the background some plumbing work, right, guys. That's for the bathroom, as well as you'll be seeing plumbing work done in the kitchen. Yes, guys, I'm entering the bedroom of this video, and you can see where the wall has been nicely rendered. Yes, guys, as well as the window dressed and everything. So the ceiling is now left to be done, flashed then dressed. Yes, guys, I really admire Kevin's rendering skills. The rendering is so neat and clean. Yes, guys. Yes, guys, in this video we'll also be seeing some plumbing work that have been done to the property. You'll be seeing some pipe, raw pipe being displayed. However,
Determination, guys.
cast into the wall.
Be, O Lord, whoever my trust. See here? Lord, make all things possible. My little feet that carry the door. Who could it be but Jesus?
Transporting my own back door. Yes, guys, for it to be installed. Stay tuned. Yes, guys, as you can see in the video, you see where the outside is rough flashed. It's gonna be properly flashed, then rendered. However, I got my windows, guys. Yes, the windows of the design that I chose, that I've always admired. Yes, guys, the windows are installed and looking lovely. Yes, guys, by Fern and his brother. Yes, guys, it's looking very lovely. You will see some other plumbing work not yet completed, just the roof work here, guys. Connect the bathroom to the original 3-unit system. Here is my lovely door that I was traveling with in my underfit. Yes, guys, traveled safe home and it is now installed. Yes, guys, I'll take you inside the room to show you how it looks after it was dressed by Kevin, the rendering mason. Yes, guys, don't forget to thumbs up this video, my friends. Thumbs up, share, like, subscribe. Stay tuned. This renovation is still work in progress. We still have some walls to be flashed and dressed. Yes, guys, as well as the floor to be cast. Yes, guys, so we still have a lot of work to be done in this house, but we're getting there slowly but surely. Yes, my lovely friends. Yes, guys, I've picked up my electrician, Malcolm, Mr. Malcolm. Yes, he has done a tremendous work in its place. Yes, guys, I see the 12 panel box is installed. I have electrical wires also installed and put through the conduit. Yes, guys, he has been really good to us. His work is excellent. Yes, guys, have to big up Malcolm, my electrician from Hayes, Clarendon, Jamaica. Yes, guys. Yes, guys, you have just watched Chilling with Ali. And I'll catch you in my next video. Until then, stay sweet, stay safe, stay blessed. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah.